Hi guys, we're back for round 2. So we have the soil right here, and then the plant, the seeds are right there. So we're gonna put the soil.
I'll talk about your thing that you put together.
So I got, first off, as we put this on, and there's a little door. You can see the teacups and stuff in them.
I can't see.
And stuff, and then the top floor usually is supposed to have nothing. It's supposed to have nothing.
Well,
top.
we can put some stuff in there.
Yeah, we can, but also, if you have one of these at home, you can go up and Google or buy up on Walmart or something, buy more like stuff for it. And if you have seashells, excuse me, you can put it in this to make it more detailed if you want, but you don't have to if you don't want.
Yeah, I'll put a link in the description. It's go to playmonster.com and you can buy them. Or they have them at Target. But I put a link in the description in the first video, and I'll put a link in the description of this video.
Yeah, and
We have
a thing do you put water in? It makes it into the bucket so we can have some water to store for the winter or something. Okay, so as you can see, I kind of opened it already.
Yes, and she made a mess on the table already. Alright, cut it open, get them both in the bowl. Cut them, use the scissors, sweetie. Hold tight.
It's gonna get messy, kids.
Hold tight onto the bag so you don't dump it on the floor.
I know, as soon as I get to the edge. Close to the edge.
Do you need me to help hold it?
No.
That's good. Just dump it in.
No. We're doing each bags by themselves so we don't get a mix.
Oh, they're both the same, so.
Yeah.
But we'll probably just do one at a time.
Yeah. It looks like it's gold, but it's actually a different soil.
Oh, it's a different type of a mineral, I read in the directions.
Yeah, it goes to the plants, and then we have to put some water.
It's a special mineral they take out deep in the earth.
And it's so pretty, and it's kind of smooth and rocky.
It absorbs water really well, and it keeps water really well.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll mix up some water and see how it goes. Don't put too much at once. Okay, that's good. Mix it. I have a feeling you're going to have to put quite a bit, but the directions said you want to put enough where you don't have standing water in the bottom of the bowl. That's good. Oh, you may have put too much. Just mix it up really well now. Get all over here and mix it around the edges. Here, won't you stand up, sweetie? Miss Lazy Bones sitting down.
Yeah. So I want him. Don't blame him, guys. Don't blame me, guys. It's so cool. If you get one, it's gonna feel cool. And this is scoop it and put it in there, I think.
Well, no, you'll be there all day. That's to help you do the seeds and stuff.
Oh, yeah, right.
How does it feel?
Good.
Does it feel like it needs some more water?
A little. I don't want it too dry.
No, you want to give it, make sure it has the right amount of water.
You squeeze it, water comes out of it.
It does?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's supposed to absorb the water. So, well, don't squeeze it. We want it to absorb the water, honey.
Just go out. Is it all done mixing?
Yep.
Okay, let's keep.
I would probably start, I'd fill up this over here first. Nope, bring the bowl right over, honey. Here, I will help you. Yeah, I probably should have put a. Here, you want to use the scoop?
Yeah.
Here. Use the scoop and wipe your hand, clean your hand off. You need to pay attention to the camera here.
Dad never looks at the camera when you're filming. Do you see my other ones? It's the same guy behind the camera, my dad. There's a lot on my hands, of course. And take a higher.
Yeah, that's good for now. Scoop it in. And spread it out as you go and keep it packed down. Don't pack it down too tight. Just don't pack it tight, honey. Just spread it out. Don't, no. Just spread it out lightly. Yep. Okay.
Are we making a mess? Dad's gonna get mad.
I figured we'd make a mess.
It's like gold on the bottom of it. That's what it's called, special oil to me.
Don't try not to get any over the side there. In here.
Sorry about that noise.
It was your sister. I told her we was making a YouTube video.
Does she think we're done? It's a lot of soil to get in this. You're already making a huge mess.
That's okay.
You think that's good?
Well, just spread it out and see. Make sure it's even. That's probably plenty, honey. Just spread it out. Make sure is there enough in this back corner. Back here. Usually.
Don't get your hands dirty.
That's okay. No. Because we're going to need a lot for the top, so.
Okay.
Okay.
Should
Now,
use a small pack for that.
Boy, it is like gold.
Now I'm just going to go rinse my hands and start that over.
Yeah, let's put this back over here. Hold on. Why don't we put the rest of that in there first?
What?
The rest of that up top here first.
Hey.
Yeah, why don't we get let's take this out so you don't hit this. Let's get a bigger scoop. Let's get a bigger scoop handy. That's okay.
Make something right.
That's good. And just hold it. No, cut it.
What are you doing?
Well, you gotta hold it two hands, honey.
I am.
Use your other hand.
All you're doing is coming up.
Why are those scissors so dull? Okay, that's good. Let's dump her in. Hold on, you got a bunch in this piece here. And you can probably add a lot of that water.
That's
Let me see.
what are you doing? You need all of it.
Sure.
No, you're not gonna get it.
It'll soak it up.
No, it won't.
Sure it will.
Well, it can't have too much water.
Yeah, I think we did put a little bit too much water. But that's okay. It's alright.
Don't do that at home, kids.
Yeah, don't listen to don't listen to Dad, kids. Whatever you do.
I never listen to him, except when he's supposed to.
Alright, let's get it in there. Move it right over. Here, how about I hold the bowl up over it? And you dump it out.
Enough soil. That's good. Enough soil. Dead. Should start with the top one first.
Don't pack it in. Because, here, get that little green. Here, I'll get it.
What are you doing?
Use this to scrape out the bowl.
It's doing nothing. Just move it away.
Use the other side, honey. Alright, clean off the edge of the bowl, honey.
What are you doing?
Alright, that's good. Well, look at your hands. You probably shouldn't have... Here, let me wipe off your hands. That's why you probably shouldn't have used your hands, because half the soil's on your hands. You gotta hold your hands up.
It won't come off and take it out.
Hold your hands stiff, honey. just wanted to get your hands all dirty, didn't you? That's good, sweetheart. Go rinse them off. We'll spread it out. It's like they don't really give you enough soil, I guess.
Yeah, because you used a big bag for that small one.
The bags are both the same size, sweetheart.
No.
Yes, they were.
No, they weren't. Oh, the seeds.
Over here, but we can take some of this and stick it up here, I guess. Hold on, we're not ready for the seeds yet. Well, don't open them quite yet. I think I may have took too much out. Side note, if you
Seeds are in the bag.
get one of these, I would
These are the seeds.
probably take a little potting soil or something first.
Okay, we're ready for the seeds.
And put a little in
Go back.
prior, so you have enough, because they just don't give you enough.
Can I put the seeds in after you're done?
Oh, I'm looking for the...
It's over here more.
Here, you find it.
Oh, it's down lower.
Oh. Alright, you spread that back out. Not with your finger.
You can use this one.
Okay, we're gonna do the seeds.
Here are the seeds.
Can I see them?
You have to make a little hole for them. So
Wow, there's some big, huge ones. Why don't you get a little bowl we can dump them in? No.
You're trying to make the hole.
No, we don't make holes, honey.
Them in.
Here, clean it. Get a little bowl so we can...
The big balls are for the big one, top one.
Well, they're for a different type of...
So
do the big ones first. Just put,
These?
yep, a few down here. In different spots.
A few of these.
Put like 5 or so down there, 5 or 6. It says don't put the stuff too close together. Let's do the big balls first. You need to dry your fingers off, sweetie. Can't have them wet. Dry them off good.
Okay.
And I have some plastic saran wrap. They said to stick over after you're done, and it helps them germinate quicker. Spread it out as best you can, honey.
On them too?
All over the soil, but along the edges, everything. Yeah, make sure to get around your house. Don't forget to save some for the bottom too. Overall, it's a neat kit, I think. And they have a lot of different accessories for them. And they have other kits also.
All of them have different things in them.
And it's a good little project. Especially for, long term. Once it grows, starts growing and stuff.
There's still 3 left. Where should I put them?
Put them on top. Find an empty place like right there, there, and there. Good rainy day.
Oh, Dad. Also, guys, if there's too much water, it goes into this bucket. It goes from here.
Yep. You can already see it. Yeah, you can already see it going down. That is pretty neat. And don't forget down here, honey.
I did a lot down here.
Alright. We probably should end the video. It's getting long. And we'll do part 3.
Let's just do this real quick, okay?
Well, how about we do that with part 3 when everything's... Because we're still going to have to move that.
Move what?
We're going to have to move this. And when we move it with the water in it...
You can move it right there.
Okay, if you want to put a little water in it, you can. Not too much. No, that's good for now because you got a bunch of dirt over on this side that you didn't get out. Alright.
But for now, make sure you give me a huge subscribe button.
And be ready for part 3 when it starts coming up.
See you guys. And on the next thing, part 3, we're gonna dump this out probably sometime. We'll get it and clean it out and then put it back in the
We'll
stuff.
have it all set up and it'll have the flowers and grass growing, and we'll have the pond situated and stuff. Is that full of water already?
Yeah.
The barrel is full of water? Wow, it filled that barrel full of water already. Holy moly. But if it overflows, it just goes right into the pond. So, but that is unreal. Well, I guess we did add too much water anyway, so.
I want to see it run down.
No. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I know. Give me a huge thumbs up. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Make sure you get ready for round 3. Turn on notifications. See you guys later. Bye. Love you guys.